Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. We will see color code of this resistor. It is green, brown, gold and black. This is email from my viewer. He is saying that I found your channel on YouTube and this resistor is really disturbing me. Is it wire wound or fusible and what is the value? Thank you. And he sent me this picture. We can decode it online. 4-band resistor color code. We can find from DigiKey and different other websites. The first band green, brown, gold and last band black. If last band is black, that means this resistance is wire wound. So we will check now color green, brown, gold. We will check in 4-band. First band green, second band brown, gold, third band, and tolerance gold. So it is 5.1 ohms, 5%, and the last band black, that is wire wound resistance. Thanks for watching.